Hello, and welcome to my final project, which at the moment is also my attempt at spelling out the word "hi" in Dominoes. This was pretty much as good as I could get. The real issue is getting over to the I. Um, but yes, my final project. I made a domino simulation thing with this big GUI control panel thing. Um, so when you boot it up, you're given a starting domino. At the moment, there's no way to set the starting position. It's always the same. Um, all the functions have both their own keyboard buttons and a GUI element to them. So you have your starting domino. If you push forward, it adds another domino. You can do that if you hit right. The dominoes turn to the right, which in this case is just spawning two dominoes at different angles. You continue to go forward. You can then turn left, which is the same thing, just the other direction. Um, and if you hit start course, it pushes the first domino over, and it does the normal physics domino thing you would expect. Um, um, these functions are done with the arrow keys. So forward is up, left is left, right is right, and down is to push the first domino over, which I just called start course in this case. There's a reset button, which resets the course, putting all the dominoes back into their initial upright positions. There's a clear, which gets rid of all the dominoes except for the starting one, of course. And you can make little domino courses in whichever way that you choose. And then if you want to save your course, you can put in your course name. So we'll call this demo 1, I suppose, and hit save, and it is saved. You can't tell that it's saved because it's in its own little folder. But if we hit clear and we hit load, it opens up the courses directory in the module, and you can see the courses there, and you can hit OK, and then it loads the course. I should also mention that the colors are random, and the faces of the dominoes are random. I made I made 49 different domino models for this project, which is every domino, every combination, 0 through 6, for the top end and bottom, which comes out to 49 dominoes. So you can see every time that you place a domino, it picks from the pool of possible dominoes randomly, and also randomly assigns every domino a color. So yeah, you can make courses, you can load things, and you can build off of previous courses if you wish, and then save it again as a separate thing. You can clear, you can load. I already showed the load, but you can then load that course, and it is distinct. You can also delete courses, which is the same way as loading them. You just pick a thing and delete it, and then if you go back to here, it's not there anymore. Every time that you load, it automatically calls the clear function. So if I go back and load this again, it'll clear it first and then do the same thing again. That's all the main features. I did also add, if you push spacebar, it does unpause some little background music. You can change the volume with the 1 and 2 keys. 1 is volume down, 2 is volume up. This song is a song called Domino by a band called the Night Flight Orchestra, which I thought was fitting for this project. You can play and pause with the spacebar. And that's pretty much it. You can create dominoes, you can move things around, um, save, load, clear, reset, and you can push them all over, and they do the normal domino physics thing that you would expect. I did also add a little hidden key, which I think right now is bound to jump, or J, which would be for jump, where it just applies an upward force to all the current existing dominoes and just does that for fun if you wish. So you could load up this high testing I did again, and you can do that if you so wish. But I believe that is all of the features of my final project, where I made a domino simulation.